So greetings, and here is gorgeous Greta. I love this bag so much, and everybody else seems to too, which is why we have it in so many colours and variations on our collection. Let's take you around the bag first. Now this is the beautiful softy black quilted leather, and as with all my bags, it's a premium quality leather. It's a full grain napper, and it is just absolutely stunning. It has a slight sheen, as you can see, which I really like, compared to that of the Conda, which is a matte naked dry drum milled DDDM leather. You can see there is a subtle difference between the two. So if you're looking for more like an urban rock chick vibe, I feel like this is a really great option. But if you're looking for something a little bit more biker chick, then I think that this is also beautiful. Of course, there are so many variations. You can opt for studded if you really want to go for those rock chick vibes, and you can add so many bits of accessories on them. So this is the Gretchen strap. You can add the chain strap, which is the Gretchen chain. You can add it in the silver or in the gold. And there's just so many ways to accessorize this bag. It just makes it a really fun bag to own. On the end here, you can see I've got the midi warrior with the mirror. And again, it just makes the bag look so cute and so unique. And you've also got the added option of adding the straps as well. So these are the Webster straps, and they just go beautifully on any bag. So if I was to take maybe the nylon, the gorgeous nylon, then you've got the option of just bringing a bit of colour to it. So this is it in the plain nylon, and then you have the option of adding some bits to it. So that was just a quick overview on how much fun you can really have with your Greta and the different colours that we've got available. I'll very quickly just show you as it's sitting here looking gorgeous, the Texas tan. Now, as you know, the Texas tan is also a naked leather like the DDDM. Likes to be conditioned. We did a test on it, which you'll be able to find on our website, of how it looks after it's been conditioned, and the colour was negligible. It really didn't go much darker at all. So if you want to protect your bag, we do suggest you do that with the naked leathers, and they do like to have a drink, they like to be moisturised, so it is advisable to give them a condition whenever you feel the leather becoming a little bit drier, because it is obviously a natural product. Then after that, we have the beautiful Italian foil printed python print, and that's got the little matching midi warrior on the end, and our stunning gorgeous croc. Now the croc is probably the shiniest in the collection, so if you're looking for something with a really nice gloss feel, then the croc is amazing. It's lovely as a work bag. I feel the croc being a bit shinier does make it a slightly smarter bag than maybe the Texas tan, which is like an everyday run, grab, go, do the school run, that kind of thing. So very excited about this bag. As you can tell by my voice, I utterly love it. And I'm now going to show you around the outside of one of these gorgeous beauties, and then we will dive inside and we can show you how we pack it up for different things, whether you're using it as a baby bag or if you're just using it for yourself. So, gorgeous Greta. Now, this is the black quilted in the softy nappa leather, as I mentioned to you before. I'm just going to take you around the outside of the bag and show you all the beautiful features on the outside, then we'll dive inside and have a look at what goes on inside the bag too. So on the top we have these nice two-way zips that you can see here. The zips are super soft, making it really easy to open or close the bag using just one hand. And the two-way zips allow you to wear the bag on either shoulder, but be able to get easy access. So I always wear the bag under my right shoulder, and that just means that I can have the zips at the front here if I want to, and then easily gain access into the bag and close it up. But I want people to have that flexibility and not to have to make a choice, so we've got it on both sides. At the sides of the bag, we've got these two end pockets. These are fabulous, honestly, total lifesaver through lockdown in terms of where to put a spare mask, a hand sanitizer, moisturizer, anything like that. They just both stay on the end. Now we've got the two-way zips again, and that just gives you the option of having both the zips at the front, at the top, or if you want a slightly less fussy bag, I'd say, you have got the option of putting the zips to the back, and you can see that just changes the design of the bag slightly, especially if you then move the side zips out of the way as well. You just get a slightly cleaner look. If that's something you're going for, then that gives you the option to do that. What I also love is the fact you can accessorize the bag. So here we have the midi warrior with the little mirror. Great if you're out with kids, perfect for checking your own lipstick. You've got the little mirror in here. It is plastic, so it means that you won't have any issues if you have your young child with you, nothing can break. And then you've got the gorgeous studded tassel, and that's in the two colors with the silver and the light gold. And then in addition to that, you can always add the Gretchen, which is this beautiful strap here, and that can attach to the bag, and it just gives you the option of carrying it as a shoulder bag instead of a crossbody. Now, The strap that comes with the bag, I'll show you that as well, just so you can check the height on it, because you don't need to buy anything else. Everything that you need for the bag is here, but obviously it's just so much fun adding bits of kit to make the bag completely unique to you. So let's have a quick look at the original strap that comes with the bag, and I'll just show you how that fits on and what length you can have the bag strap at. So the Greta comes with its own strap, which you can see here. It's nicely secured when you receive it, and this is it on the shortest length. It has a nice leather strip running down it, and it's a nice width. So it's really comfortable to carry all day long, and it also has this leather strip which just gives it that extra feel of luxury. And that's all about KeriKit. I never cut corners with my bags. I'm always looking to improve them and make them even better than the last time until they are perfect. Now this is it on the shortest strap, so as you can see, this makes it a really easy to carry shoulder strap length. If you extend it, you have got the full length to extend it. I'm not going to do it now, but it's very easy then to turn it into a crossbody and to wear it as a crossbody, but you can just lengthen the strap as much as you need to any length that you desire. So let's dive around the back of the bag first. At the back of the bag, you can see we've got this lovely little closing pocket, and it's got a magnetic closure in the back of the bag. So first of all, the reason for that is that when you want to put your hand in the bag, I didn't want you to catch your fingers or anything or your jewelry on something sharp and abrasive. And if you're using it to slide your phone in here, it just means that your phone will be absolutely fine and protected when you slide it in, and it will close up automatically, just like that. Around the front of the bag, we have got the organiser pocket. So that again, butter soft zips, opens beautifully, and that reveals to you a lovely pocket that just helps you to keep all your essentials organised. You've got your 4 credit card holders, you've got your pen holder, and you've got your elasticated pocket as well. Now on the ends, as I mentioned, you've got your 2-way zips that allow you to get into smaller pockets. A great place to put earpods, things like that you just want to be able to grab and go easily, or items that you don't use so often. So a spare set of earphones would normally be in here for me. My essential oils for yoga would go in either the end or in the little elasticated pocket. So let's dive now into the main compartment of the bag, and hopefully in here you can see it so pretty, guys. Look at that lining, so nice and light, easy to find everything. The lining is also waterproof, so you do not need to worry about any spills or stains. If you do have an accident, just wipe it clean with a wet wipe as quickly as you can, and hopefully it won't bleed through into the rest of your bag and your leather will remain unaffected. So inside you've got this end pocket here, which has got one pocket which is insulated, and into that you can put a baby bottle or a little can, which I'll show you later, and then in the other side it's nice and spacious. The back section has got this nice security pocket, so you've got a perfect place to put all your feminine needs or any tablets or anything you just want to keep more private. And then you've got your 4 protective feet at the bottom that keep the bag protected on the base. And so that's pretty it. It's a nice, simple little design, has all the features that you need and that you've become accustomed to with KeriKit. And now I'm going to show you different ways that you can pack this beauty up. Okay, so I have now got the Greta packed up for a day out with your baby, and would you believe everything you need for a day out with your baby fits in here beautifully, and there is still room to spare. Now, if you are taking your baby out and you want to be able to put this at the perfect height on your pram, I do urge you to get these cute little buggy clips. They're £15 a pair, they're available on our site. They'll sit on your pram, and then you just need to clip them on. They stay on the pram, and then you can very easily clip your bag on and off each day. Leave the buggy clips on there, and the bag will sit at the perfect height for a wonderful, stylish pram organiser. Now then, let's dive in and take a look at this beautiful bag. So I'm going to start with the front organiser pocket today. In here, I've just packed a few essentials just to show you how you can use the pocket. We've got some bits at the top here, such as my nail file, hand cream, always a hair bubble, often a lip gloss. I've got a small pen in the pen holder, and you've got room here to put some cards. I don't have any in here today, but this is a nice slip pocket at the back that you can use for anything. And then these smaller ones at the front are great just for putting cards, train tickets, receipts, any little bits that you just want to keep separate from the rest of the bag. I've got my matching poppy, which I've attached to the D-ring for added security. This is great if you're carrying the bag, you've still got enough room to take it out of the front pocket, take take out your coins, your notes, your cards, and then pop it back. So that's a really nice little addition. And we do have a poppy to match your Greta. So that's the front organizer pocket. Then we have got the main compartment. So I'm just going to open that up. Now, as I mentioned today, I'm packing for a day with my baby. So I've got the non-padded, super handy changing mat. This opens up full size, so you've got plenty of room to put your newborn down. It's waterproof on both sides and it is machine washable too. So additionally, in here I have packed a bottle of water for myself. I have got a baby bottle in the corner in the insulated bottle holder. I've got a pack of slimline wipes and I have got 3 newborn nappies. Now there's still plenty of room at the top. Additionally, I have got my memo bottle, which is the flask style bottle. And these are really great for the Greta and they go into the amber pockets beautifully as well. So that's the perfect bottle for your Greta to keep you hydrated on the move. In the end pockets today, I've just got a spare mask and some hand sanitizer. So I've just got a hand sanitizer in here. In terms of scale, it's just a small one. You can very easily fit inside of here a larger one, hand cream, any other bits you might need, or your ear pods. And then in the other side, I've just packed a couple of spare masks. So that is the beautiful Greta, all set out for a day with your baby. The back pocket has got a phone in it. You can fit any size phone in here nice and easily. I've got the Galaxy S20 Plus, which is the bigger size phone, and that fits in there absolutely fine. So guys, there you have it, the gorgeous Greta, all set out for a day with your baby.